Welcome to BFP, your trusted partner in precision manufacturing. Established in 2019, we are a one-stop customized cabinet manufacturer. Our factory is strategically located in Boluo, Huizhou, right at the industrial heart of southern China. Positioned east of the major manufacturing hubs of Guangzhou and Foshan, we are just a 90-minute drive away, offering excellent access to supply chains and logistics networks. Our facility spans over 10,000 square meters, where a dedicated and highly skilled team of more than 100 professionals works side by side. Together, we operate dozens of advanced domestic CNC machines and semi-automated production lines, ensuring high efficiency and consistent quality across all production processes. With an average monthly output exceeding 40 high cubes, we have built a strong global presence. Proudly, our products are exported to over 80 countries and regions, including Asia, Europe, Canada, Australia, the Caribbean, and Africa. At BFP, we live by a simple but powerful principle: quality first. This is not just a slogan, it is the foundation of everything we do. From our workshop managers to every single employee on the production line, quality is our top priority. We maintain rigorous control at every stage of production, and our ultimate pursuit is zero defects. Choose BFP for reliability, precision, and a commitment to excellence that never wavers.